Investing in 2023 Tips. Hello and welcome to this video on tips for investing your money in 2023. Investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be a bit overwhelming if you're not sure where to start. In this video, we'll go over some key tips that can help you make smart investment decisions this year. 1. Start by setting your investment goals. Are you looking to save for retirement? Do you want to generate additional income? Knowing what you're trying to accomplish will help you make better investment decisions. 2. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help minimize your risk and maximize your returns. 3. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Focus on the long-term performance of your investments and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. 4. Do your research. Before you invest in any stock, bond, or mutual fund, be sure to research the company and its management. Look for companies with strong financials, a solid business model, and a history of growth. 5. Consider working with a financial advisor. If you're new to investing or don't have the time to do your own research, consider working with a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. 6. Keep an eye on the economy. The economy can have a big impact on your investments, so it's important to stay informed about economic trends and events. Keep an eye on things like interest rates, inflation, and the overall health of the economy. Remember, investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to be smart about it. By setting your investment goals, diversifying your investments, being patient, doing your research and working with a financial advisor if necessary, you can make smart investment decisions in 2023. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on learning about money.